Showing up and just not little. Showing up and just not little. Hold on.
Alright, this son of a buck can't never climb this damn hill. So we're gonna ram her in there, driver, yeah. Hang on, flat, you old baby. Oh, come on, don't start that hopping shit. We lost the radio. We made her. I'm glad that's my last trip up this hill. My last trip up this hill. I ought to just burn the damn rock off this road. Hey, son of a buck. But this is a neighbor. We had to pay full price to get to the log over here. He said he don't care, pay me money, I'm happy. So we're trying to take care of him, get him an access and stuff, and we dumped a shitload of rock on him. So he should be happy about that. But we got rain coming breathing down our necks right now. To the top crane, thank you. That is awesome.
bitch.
Oh, that was perfect. I love it. Now, everybody that ain't around loggers always wonder why all loggers and stuff is junk and broke. Look here, here's a case in point. The maiden voyage of the new camera mount with the cow magnets. That's how she ended up, driver. Sorry, buddy. It's like this son of a bucking camera mount was like the voyage of the Titanic, I think she said. Oh, hey everybody, thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit the buttons and leave me likes, comments, stuff. Let me know what's up. And to anybody's wanting logger weight gear, go to loggerweight.com and help yourself at the shop there. And we got all that good mess. Take care of it. And mostly just want to say thanks, everybody. Hope everybody has a good one later on.